Hey guys, there's a common issue with the steering wheel controls on this 2008 Suzuki Grand Vitara, and as you can see the text is already gone a long time ago, and sometimes I don't know if I'm going forward and backward on the track list or maybe turning the volume up or down. So today I'm having new steering wheel control. Let's replace them.
Safety first, we will disconnect the negative terminal of the battery because we are going to remove the airbag. On the side of the steering wheel we have a plastic cover with a bolt behind it. So we have here a Torx 30 bolt, or it's a 10mm head. We will remove one bolt from each side easily. Okay, this cover is supposed to come out, and then there will be about 2 screws holding each of these switches. And then you just need to undo the clip of the connector and pull the connector out. Well, as you can see on the new switches, the screws are in the back, and therefore I will need to disassemble the steering wheel to access the back part. I will start by removing the center steering wheel nut using a 17mm socket and a breaker bar. Note that there will already be a marking for the steering wheel centering because we must return the steering wheel exactly to the point where we pulled it out. There is a red marking here and it stands, so I won't need to make a new one. Before pulling it all the way out, give the steering wheel a few confident taps so it releases. That's it, it's loose. Also, be careful not to touch this clock spring. Don't spin it, don't go wild with it, and don't do anything with it. Leave it in exactly the same state. Otherwise, it will cause you problems, you will have to replace this part, and it's not a cheap one. So, now we have access to the back part of the steering wheel. We got here 4 clips we need to release pressure from in order to remove this back cover. And here are the screws for the switches. That's it, so here are the old switches. I will take the new switches, assemble everything back in place in reverse order. We'll start with the switches. We will put the plastic cover back. And return the steering wheel to its place. Be careful to return the steering wheel to its previous position. Because it wasn't exactly in the center, I pulled it out a bit and moved it 1 tooth to the side. We'll screw the nut and tighten it until I see it straight like it was before according to the marking. The torque spec for this nut is 33 Nm. We'll reconnect the airbag connector and return the airbag to its place. We have 2 Torx bolts, we'll tighten them. And then return the plastic covers to their place. All we have left is to return the battery and tighten its terminal. Now the moment of truth. Let's see if the switches work. We see that the volume works, next and previous works. Excellent. Also the mute button. And let's see on the cruise control side as well. Yes, everything there works properly too. Like the video if it helped you and enjoy more content on the channel.